Today, I'll show you how to convert your Base44 app into a fully offline app. First, open Base44 and start with your existing project or create a new one. In your project prompt, make sure you clearly tell the AI what you need. Write something like, build an app that works completely offline. It should not need an internet connection for any reason. This is important because Base44 usually builds web-based apps that rely on online services. Once your app is ready, look over it and test that everything runs as expected inside the Base44 preview. When you're happy with it, go to the top right corner and click the GitHub and Code Editing button. This will open the project's code view. Next, find and click the option that says Export Project as Zip. This will download your full app code to your computer. Keep in mind that you may need to upgrade your Base44 plan to use the export feature or connect your GitHub account. After downloading the zip file, you'll have access to all the source files. To make the app work fully offline, open the code in your favorite editor, such as Visual Studio Code. You may need to adjust some settings, like removing online API calls or replacing them with local data. Once you finish these changes, save the files and run the app locally. And that's how you convert your Base44 app into an offline version that runs directly from your device. Thanks for watching.